Easy tricks to use when repairing your credit. Has your credit score fallen as a result of life events that you had no control over? The good news is that you can change it much sooner than that. Here are some ways to repair your credit right now. When looking to repair your credit, create a plan of attack and stick to it. Making a plan and writing it down will make you more likely to actually take the steps needed to repair your credit. Stick to your plan and watch your debt dwindle away before your eyes. One tip that anyone who is looking to repair their credit should be wary of is identity theft. Even if you are paying all your bills on time and keeping your balances low, identity theft can wreak havoc on your credit score. Always check your bank and credit card statements regularly. Be sure that your credit card company has a policy of calling customers when large or out-of-state transactions take place. Request a copy of your credit report and make sure that all your debts are actually yours. If you plan to repair your credit, you should read the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Knowing your rights can be critical when repairing your credit. There may be debts on your record that are inaccurate, which you have the right to dispute. There are also reporting timelines, so if you know your rights, cleaning up your credit will be that much easier. A great tip for people looking to improve their credit is to practice safe banking and computing practices. Whenever you are dealing with your personal information, whether it is through online banking or anything else, you are putting yourself at risk for identity theft. Make sure anytime you give your information, that the website is secure. While cleaning up your credit, be sure to be kind and respectful to all the people you deal with that you owe money to. As the old saying goes, you get more bees with honey than vinegar. These individuals may have the ability to make deals with you to pay a lower amount than owed, and being respectful may increase your chances of receiving such an offer. A great tip for people looking to repair their credit is to check their credit scores regularly. You may have to pay a monthly fee for an online credit tracking site, but you are much more likely to notice irregularities with your credit score if it is continuously monitored. If you are working to repair your credit, the first thing you should do is obtain a copy of your credit report from the 3 top reporting agencies. This will give you the names of those you are in debt to as well as the amounts that you currently owe. You can get this for free once per year. A great tip for those looking to improve their credit is to beware of credits and debts that you do not use. Signing up for a credit card and then forgetting about it still affects your credit score as long as that card is open. Make sure that you are aware of all open accounts that you have. One of the biggest things you can do to repair your credit is to make all your payments on time. Each time you miss a payment, your credit score decreases. By paying on time for an extended amount of time, you are showing stability and your credit score will increase accordingly. Repairing your credit takes some time, but there are a number of things you can do to turn the tide of your credit today. Follow these tips and your credit will start to rise faster than you thought possible. You can finally begin to rebuild your life.